We're going to take a look at how to turn your Lofty into a listing machine to get some extra listings to use it for that. One of the easiest ways to do it is you go to marketing at the top, and after you log into your Lofty, go to marketing at the top here. On the left under tools, once it reloads, under tools here, you're going to go to landing pages. And then at the top, you're going to click build a new or add a new landing page. Once you do that, you're going to scroll. You can see it's 3 rows down in the middle. What's my home worth? You're going to click select template. And then you can name it like home value. I'm going to call it test so I know that it's for the video. And you're going to hit save. Once you get it in there and you get your home value and you're in, you can see right here it says what's my home really worth. On the top left, you may have to click on these buttons. This is going to let me publish it now. Usually it doesn't let you. So if I click on block and then go to settings, here I can go to page tracking. And I can put in my analytics and my Facebook pixel ID. And I can put those in there to track my page separately. I can also put in some SEO keywords. If I wanted to put in like home, find my home value, what's my home worth, all those, then I would hit get analysis. And then I would hit publish here like it shows, and then it's here ready to go. Now if I take this, and I'm just going to close this whole tab out, and then you see that it's right here now at the top, home value test. And it's ready to go there and ready to use. Sorry, I had to switch that over. Now, once you're here and you have it ready to go, I'm going to click it to open it. And this is where we can start using it to become a listing machine and get listings. First thing I'm going to do is take the URL, the www at the top, and copy it. And then if I go here to some social media such as Facebook or something like that, I can just go here where it says what's on your mind, drop it in, and it gives me a preview. Right there, what's your home really worth. And then I'm going to highlight the whole link and delete it. And this would be one of the first things I could do. Then I could say, if you right click on Facebook, if you don't know, you can go to emoji. You can do like a little home, fire, whatever you want to type in here. Or you can put money, whatever you want. And I can say, find the true value of your home in seconds. You spell any words you messed up. There you go. You put that in there right there. That could be a simple, easy post, done, ready to go. I post it, as you can see, it throws it on my social media. And then I'm going to always like or love my post. And then you comment. And you can see, here to help you make the most money. Anything you want to say. I'm doing something simple just to keep it quick for the video. And then I do that. So always make like or love it, leave a comment. Then I could hit share, and I could share that to a group. And I would want to share it to Facebook groups, different groups in the area who might want to look at selling their home. So that's the first thing you can do with this. Another thing I can do, I can take that same link, and if I go to QR Monkey, which is one of my favorite QR creating sites, right here, make sure you're on the green one, qrcode-monkey.com. I'm going to take the link at the top where it says your URL. Let me actually get the real link and copy that and throw it in there and get rid of that one. And then it's there. And then I hit generate QR code. And now I have a QR code ready to go, ready to use for anything. What I recommend is whenever you have a listing and you want to get more listings from that, take this QR code. Again, I'm going to hit download. When this pops up, don't click anything, just let it download. I'm going to take this QR code, and then once it's there and it's downloaded and it looks good, like there it is right now, it just threw into my downloads. Right there, good to go. Ready to use. And then I'm going to take this and I'm going to turn it into a yard sign. And at the top of the sign, it's going to say, would you sell your home for the right price or get your value, whatever you want to say. And I'm going to turn that into a yard sign and put it right next to my listing sign in the yard of my listing, right next to the home for sale. That way, anyone who drives by can stop, scan the QR code, and get a home value. So all the nosy neighbors, everyone who's driving by all the time, all those kind of people that you hear, they're going to be able to be in there scanning it, getting their value, and you get other leads that way. So you get to pull up your leads, get more listings from your listing, and it works without you being there. So you don't have to be there for it to work. The other thing you can do with it, make it the same type of sign, the same yard sign. When you have an open house, put it in the yard. Because remember, about 40% of people who go to open houses are sellers. So you have the open house, you put that sucker in the yard for the open house. All the neighbors, again, that drive by the open house, it might not stop for just looky-loos driving by. They're going to scan it. You're going to catch them as a lead. They're going to find out what their home is worth. It's a really easy way to use that to get it. Now, if you want to use it for other stuff as well, we're going to show you one or two other things. I enjoy doing this in Avery, but you can do it in Canva. You can do it in whatever you want to do in it. It doesn't matter. And you just make a free Avery account. Just signing in real quick. And then you just go ahead and you just go to projects and you just search these templates. So the first one is 16150, 16150, and you just hit templates at the top, put it in, you can start designing. And this is just a quick design that I did. And like it shows right here, would you sell your home for the right price? Scan here to get your value. They scan it, it opens up, it goes right into your QR code, put your address, boom, I catch them as a lead, makes them sign in. Very simple, very easy. And this is a door hanger. And if you use these here, these are 2 tearaways at the bottom. See right here, ready to go. So this is a simple, easy way. Take the door hanger, create it, go hang them up. You're going to get leads. Very simple. The other way you can do it is if you wanted to use pre-designed door hangers. There's a couple companies out there that give you free door hangers. And if you use one of those companies that give you the free ones, I like this template, 18863. As you can see, very simple again, just like the door hanger. But this is a sticker the same size as your business card, just a little bit bigger. So I can create these stickers and have it all the way across and build them all out and print it. Again, would you sell your home for the right price? Get your value here, or get your free value, whatever. And you put this QR code right here. People see your sticker, they get it, it's on the door hanger. That's a really easy way to get in front of people. So you can either make your own door hanger or use these stickers to make the door hangers, and you can do it that way. You can also take the QR code, you can put it at the bottom any flyers, any mail outs, anything like that you're looking for in the area to get leads that way. We're going to do another video in another day or so explaining how to get a free list of people who are selling their home from RPR, and that'll help you be able to do that. Hopefully this helps you be able to use your Lofty to get some extra listings, and good luck out there. Make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't.